Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. Now, are you ready for a taste of the Mediterranean right in your own home? Today I'm bringing you a delicious and healthy recipe for Mediterranean chicken orzo that's packed with flavour and full of nutrition. This dish combines tender chicken, aromatic spices and juicy tomatoes to create a taste explosion in your mouth. So if you're ready for a culinary adventure, grab your aprons and let's start cooking. So first let's add 6 boneless and skinless chicken thighs into a bowl. And to this then I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoonfuls of allspice, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and 1 teaspoonful of sea salt. Now I'm going to give that a good mix up. I'm just going to set it to the side for 15 to 20 minutes. Now onto a medium heat, we're going to place an oven-proof frying pan. We're going to spray that with some low-calorie cooking oil, and to that then we're going to add the marinated chicken thighs. We're just going to saute them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we're going to flip them over and saute them for 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now once both sides are sealed and they're brown, we're going to remove them, put them on a plate and set them to the side. Now I'm going to spray the same pan with some more oil, and to this then I'm going to add 1 diced onion, 1 diced carrot, 1 diced stick of celery, 6 whole cloves of garlic, 4 thickly sliced mushrooms, and I'm going to cook that for about 5 minutes just until the onions start to soften. Now I'm going to add a handful of cherry tomatoes, the juice of a lemon, and 100 milliliters of chicken stock. Now I return the chicken to the pan. We're going to cover that with a lid, and we're going to pop it into a preheated oven that's been preheated to 200 degrees centigrade, 180 Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook that for 30 minutes. Now we're going to carefully remove the pan from the oven, and to this then we're going to add 250 grams of orzo pasta, a handful of finely chopped parsley, 400 milliliters of good quality chicken stock. We're going to give that a good stir, and then we're going to pop the lid back on and put it in the oven again for another 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, just check that the chicken is cooked, and now it's time to serve. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for Mediterranean chicken orzo. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.